Alright, good morning everyone. I'm in Pret here in London and having a black coffee. The reason why I haven't released the video yet is because I'm still preparing everything and it is more work than I thought. Also, I mean, obviously to create my own workout program is one thing, but then also making sure I give you all the information you need. And I'm not sure, I might need to let you down a little bit because I just don't have the time, to be fair. I know this is a really stupid excuse, but you can see in my face, I'm like, I'm seeing between 8 to 10 clients every day. So today I've got 9 clients, luckily 1 client cancelled so I could sleep a little bit longer. But the thing is, once this whole challenge starts, I'm also going to train 2 times a day on top of my 9 clients, which is 9 hours, right? So I most of the time get up at like 5:30 and then I'm hitting the bed around 10 o'clock, so I'm not getting that much sleep, which is really bad for this whole challenge. But you know, I mean, I want to be real and honest when I do these things, and I think for you to be able to participate, it's a case of you will also need to do some research and take action. Meaning, I'm gonna provide you with the link to my blog post, and I'm gonna try to put everything in there as best as I can. But then the easiest way for me to transfer information to you is just by filming it, because it's the easiest in terms of spending my time. Because sitting down and writing a blog post, I still haven't finished it yet. It's just not in my nature writing stuff. You know, I just hate writing. And therefore, if you really want to get the most out of this challenge, the best way to do this is by watching these videos, because I'm going to be sharing all of this on my journey. Yeah. Just want to give you a bit of an update. Today, I'm seeing, like I said, normally 9, but my first client canceled, so 8 clients. I'm going to be finished at around 8 o'clock tonight. Then I'm going to go to sleep. Have to get up at 2 o'clock, and at 6 o'clock in the morning on Friday, I'm basically in the aeroplane, which I'm going to show you now so you actually see how my day is like. And yeah, and then I hit Germany around 9 AM on Friday morning. So that's sort of my little journey and what's going on. I thought I would share this with you quickly. It just reminds me of Coffee with Marc. We used to do this in my vlogs, and I like come back to this where I talk about stuff which is close to my heart, so to speak, with you, having a little chat. And yeah, so first of all, I need to wake up, get ready for my first client, and then I'll see you in a bit.
Again and again, I feel it in waves, you follow me, drift into places I should leave, so close to the edge of something so perfect.
They've been ripping off this building nearly since the last, I think, 2 years or something. There used to be this huge building over here, and then you can see Hyde Park, which is really nice. I mean, now you can see it, but that was like a super tall skyscraper like the one here. You can see the crane, like it was at least that tall, and they just broke it all down. I don't know what they're building now, but we will see. What else I've noticed is walk to work, that a lot of people, I don't know if you can see this guy behind me, no you can't, it's too far away anyway, they're all smoking. A lot of people are smoking, and you know, I don't want to be like a advocate or evangelist or anything, but I'm a health professional, so stop smoking. If you do, it's just not good for you. There's no way in hell that is good for you. But yeah, everyone seems to like smoking. Still, can't help you guys, need to stop. No one there yet. I love it when the gym is empty. Anyway, we need to type in our code, which you are not allowed to see. We are in the back office. There it says office. This is our little kitchen area here. break here in Regent's Park. That's where I am right now. It's a massive park, and over there a lot of buildings, and over there's a cafe where I normally go to, and you've seen me post on Instagram probably a couple of times, a coffee or something. That's exactly that place where I go to. Now what I want to show you is actually this little thing here, my scooter. People are like, how do you get around in London? And the thing is, I was thinking of buying a car and stuff, but it doesn't make sense. So here, for example, you can see it goes up to 32 kilometers an hour, which is pretty decent. I actually wanted to film while riding, but as I've got it, you know, I'm holding this camera in one hand, and then driving on the scooter is going to be a bit dangerous. So I've got a GoPro at home in Germany, so I'm going to take that with me next week. So the vlogs actually then are going to contain a little bit of footage as I travel through London, because that's what I do when I see my clients. I had 2 clients in the morning, actually 3, but 1 canceled in the morning. So now I'm here. My other client lives around here in this area, and I need to go back to the gym. So that's the life of a PT. I thought I'll let you in my little secret of how I get around in London very quick. So normally, if you take a bus and need to go to where I am, it takes me around probably 30 minutes plus. It's not like you turn up at the bus station and all of a sudden the bus is there, right? So you have to wait sometimes 40 minutes. Taking this thing, it takes me, if I'm really quick, 10 minutes. So I save time by using this little scooter here. It's illegal here in the UK, but you know what? I passed so many police cars and they actually looked at me driving this thing and they didn't say anything. So if you drive conform and quite nicely say hello to the little dog. Doggy. He likes my scooter, I think. Don't pee on it, otherwise I need to kill you. Yeah, anyway, I don't know what I was talking about. I thought I'll let you in. And yeah, now I'm heading to my client. I couldn't get to top speed. That was just 20 miles per hour, 20 kilometers an hour. So yeah, now you know how it goes. So now I actually do have to go to my client. So here we have a normal car, and here we've got a horse. And here, we actually, that's how we travel nowadays. Yeah, I just missed my ride. They didn't want to stop and take me because I'm not royal blood. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me, but it is now, let's see, yeah, 8 o'clock. I finished now my day, more or less. Yeah, it's super busy, as you can see. People are on their way home. It's like super traffic jam. I'm gonna try to get home as well because I need to sleep, and at 2 o'clock I'm gonna wake up. And I told you guys I'm gonna take you guys with me on this little journey until I'm in the airplane, because then you get an idea of how my life is, and you know, that's what it is about, right? Sometimes you need to share. That's what I'm doing. The light is really good actually, as I can see, but you can probably can't hear me because it's too loud here, but anyway. Yeah, good morning everyone. It's 2:30, as I said. Got my stuff packed now, and it's freaking early, man. That's what I tell you. Let's go to the airport.
Try to forget all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worth it. You had the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be.
Yeah, so I'm taking the 2 at 3 o'clock at platform 4. Hey guys, it's the first time I'm taking a different train. Normally I fly from Gatwick Airport, Now I'm flying from Luton Airport. The good thing is that Luton Airport is a bit closer to my house, which means instead of 1 hour and 30 minutes, I just go for 30 minutes. Like, so I saved an hour in trip. But as I've never been traveling from Luton so far, I thought, let's get there early today. Because I don't know how Luton Airport rolls, how they rock over there. And the other thing is you always need to include the shuttle from the train station to the airport and all these little things. So I'm gonna check that out today. Because on my way back from Germany to London, I also land in Luton because EasyJet decided to change things up. And yeah, we basically just made it in time because the train is coming in 5 minutes. Yeah, it's so quiet here, isn't it? It's like no freaking person is here, just me. But yeah, that's how we roll here. But I freaking love it. I just freaking love it, guys. That's how you freaking roll your life. I mean, my life at least. Oh my god, look at this. This is awesome. I thought these look like Roman Empire drawings. Let me zoom in. But actually there's no Roman Empire on there. It's just random pictures of the train station. Oh yeah, and what else is funny? They're advertising the pound, right? The funny thing is this pound you can't use anymore. I was in a shop yesterday and I wanted to buy something, put the pound on the table, they say, oh sorry, we can't take it. Because now they have like the euro, the pound has a silver inside and a gold outside, and that's what they're using, and they're saying that's the only pound we take. I'm like, right, you just make your own rules, don't you? Here comes the train. Yeah, so we just made it through security, and this is a new Luton Airport. I mean, not new, but this is particularly smaller than Gatwick. It's just a really small airport. You see, there's a lounge here as well. Try to find it now. Yeah, we found the lounge, but it opens at 4:30, so that's a bummer. And yeah, this is a really small airport, and lots of building works going on. It's really crap. You can always get drunk if you want, but I prefer not to. Oh fuck, now I need to sit down somewhere until this lounge opens. Damn it. Yeah, so we finally made it into the lounge, and you can see that's where you can get some food, which I'm going to do now. They have something really cool, it's called snooze pods. It's right over there. You can basically go to sleep in a little snooze pod. Let's see if I can show you. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Alright, I'm back home, and yeah. This is what I do every Friday, basically. I travel back home, you know, to be here with my family, and yeah. Then over the weekend, I sort of train people as well. And chill out, relax, do what you do on the weekend. And then on Monday, I'm back. Backle wackle in Germania, in London. And this nice lady here will visit me in London. Ja, da freue ich mich schon drauf. This is an English vlog. When you're in Germany, you have to speak German, right? So that's why I speak German. Anyway, I'm still sleepy, as you can tell. Talking crap. So I'll see you guys when? Soon.